right? Was that catnip too much for you?
O meu te amo, o meu te amo.
Continue selling its oil and gas.
Come here, guy. Buddy.
Nada.
Barışacaksınız, tamam mı lan?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Counters! Happy birthday to you. Do this to her for like 10 minutes.
Excuse me. Excuse me. No. I said no.
Oh my god!
Sama. What's the wrong way, you being naughty?
Meow. Meow.
Stop. I'm literally just trying to...
Don't do that. Don't do that.
I'll give you my address.
Don't do that.
Bruh.
Hi, Boxer. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Pretty fat.
Get it off of you. Okay.
What? Oh!
Excuse me? Excuse me? George! George!
I just think she's scared of being abandoned.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god. Oh, what?
Princess!
Somebody come get her, she dancing like a street.
Meow!
In the store.
Get down from the fridge right now.
Stop it! Where's the catnip?
For it until now.
This one's mean as fuck.
Excuse me?
You get out.
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray? Ow. To you too.
Careful.
Hi. Should I get a dog? Ice, baby. No, they are my chicken nuggets.
Macaroni turns one. Ow. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Safada.